Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG1115O in color code 002. The color of the frame is Burgundy. And these glasses are a cat eye shape. On his temples, you'll find the GG Gucci branding in gold. On both sides of the temples. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved. In the inner right temple, you'll find the Gucci logo that is made in Italy and the serial number. On the inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, and a Gucci dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.